Hey guys, Jenny PRD, registered dietitian and nutritionist. So this video is coming at you as a request of sorts, which is so awesome. Thank you so much. But what I'm going to do, it's going to deal with grocery shopping. But before I get into that, I want to encourage you to please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you don't miss any upcoming tips or tricks. So let's get right into it. I am literally right outside the grocery store. I'm pretty ill prepared because I always bring a list with me and I always put that list in order, right? Pretty ridiculous, but I get that little trick from my mom. So here we go. All right, so we are gonna get some bananas, grapes. I mean, these like we go through all these foods all the time, so they are pretty much like staples in my house. So let's see, I want to make sure. Spinach, I eat salad multiple times a week. Cherry tomatoes I always put in it. We always have carrots. Our puppy even eats carrots. We're gonna do hummus. Let's see. Oh, so this little trick, no idea why I do it, but always am writing what we're gonna have for dinner in the corner in this little square for whatever reason. But I can kind of just cross-reference, if you will, so I know what we're gonna have for dinner that week. So tacos, calzone my husband requested for tonight, pork, and egg bake. The pork, I would suspect it would last us 2 nights, and same with the egg bake. So let's see, the egg bake, we need some potatoes. I use, I'll roast potatoes. So we'll do red ones, and then the pork, I want fries. So the egg bake, we will, I'll roast them in the oven. That's kind of like the crust, if you will, of my egg bake, and then eggs and all different vegetables. We'll do some mushrooms, spinach, tomatoes, so I have all that. Onion, let's see. My husband requested a calzone for dinner, so I'm going to make sure I don't forget that. See, now it's already out of order. I'm all over the place. I usually rewrite my list like at least 2 times, 3 times to make sure it's in order, but to save you guys the aggravation, we'll just run through it once, with hopes that I won't forget anything, but I think I could do it. All right, so my husband requested calzone for dinner tonight, so we're gonna have tomatoes, onion in there. I have some basil, I have an onion at home, cheese, right? Cheese is a huge staple in my house, so we're always going through cheese. American cheese, shredded cheese, cheese sticks. I mean, I've posted videos already with these cheese sticks that I'm always eating. So yogurt, I'm going to write mini too, so I remember for my husband to pack him some in his lunchbox, which reminds me applesauce too. Of course, you know, pack him lunch with a little love note as well. Eggs for our egg bake, and just to have milk for all of us. We need peanut butter. We go through so much peanut butter. Bread. I'm going to write quesadillas here. I think we'll have enough stuff for dinner, but quesadillas are like a staple. I always buy whole wheat wraps. Always have no added salt black beans, no added salt diced tomatoes, no added salt canned corn in-house, so I can add that with white sharp cheddar cheese to quesadillas wraps. So delicious. And some chili powder, which reminds me I need more of that. This is great, guys. You're really helping me with my list. So chili powder. Oh, we're going to have taco seasoning, right? So taco seasoning has so much sodium in it. So I never use an entire packet, but there's definitely other seasonings you can add, like cumin, red pepper flakes, pepper, to give it, you know, that delicious taco-ish taste. You can add chili powder, but there is some sodium in chili powder, so just be cautious of that. The pork we have, but I need some more barbecue sauce. So we're going to do... maybe we'll do buns, right? My husband would be pretty pumped about that. And we're going to do fries with that. Barbecue sauce for the pork, buns. Got that. Oh, we need shells, right? Shells for the tacos. Egg bake. We have the potatoes and all the other vegetables. Perfect, perfect. Oh, I just know offhand we need oatmeal, ground flax, and wheat germ. Let's see. Cinnamon we got. Honey we got. All different other seasonings I think we have. So, oh, meat for the tacos. So this 93% lean, 7% fat. This is the fat part. I'm going to buy ground beef, but you could buy turkey, you could buy chicken, but this is what you're looking at. You know, if you buy turkey, or beef or chicken, it's the leanness of it. It's going to be comparable to fat and saturated fat when you get, you know, you just have to compare the labels. But again, I'm okay with 93% lean ground beef. A little bit of fat in there helps retain some of the moisture. If you do 99 and 1, it's a little too lean for me and gets too dried out. But I think that's everything for our list. So thank you so much for watching. What is your favorite thing to buy at the grocery store? Comment below and stay tuned for more videos.